back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today we are going to do something very different, and this tag hasn't been around for a few years, and I got this tag off, is it Fleur de Force? I think that's what her YouTube channel is, and I noticed that she did this video years ago, so I thought I'd bring it back and share with you guys. So this is a 40 question beauty tag, and it's all about beauty, so skincare, makeup, you name it. I am going to answer the questions, and I am going to tag some lovely girls who I'm going to leave all their channel names down below so you guys can go and check them out, and they've been tagged, so go and check out what their beauty tag answers are to these 40 questions. So without further ado, let's get started. But before we do, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I hope you guys are enjoying all of vlogust videos, and also we are on a journey to 500 subscribers. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and get notified every single day when I upload a brand new video throughout the whole of August. So let's get into the questions. Okay, so I've got all the questions here. I'm gonna go through all 40, and then hopefully it won't take too long. So the first 10 questions are to do with skincare. So the first question is, how many times do you wash your face daily? I wash my face day and night. What skin type do you have? Dry, oily, or combo? So I've got normal skin, but I think it can be a bit combo. So there's days where it can be a bit dry, and there's days where it can be a bit oily, especially in the T-zone. So I'd say that I am normal combo. What is your current facial wash? So my current facial wash at the minute is the Tropic Skincare Cleanser, and I absolutely love it because it literally melts away all the makeup, and you double cleanse, so you can use to get rid of all your makeup, and then you wash again, and it leaves your skin looking gorgeous and glowy. Do you exfoliate? Yes, I do. I exfoliate I'd say about maybe once or twice a week. What brand do you use? As in exfoliating, I have got the Revolution Vitamin C scrub that I'm using at the minute. What moisturizer do you use? I actually use Duolab. So Duolab is a dispenser, a cream dispenser, and it's the L'Occitane capsules that are actually in the dispenser. And basically what it does, it heats up my moisturizer, and then I apply it to my face, and honestly it is godsend, and it's a game changer to the skincare. I'll leave all the details down below so you can go and check that out. Do you have freckles? Yes, I have. I get them, and they actually come out in the summer. Do you use eye cream? No, I don't, but I've actually just bought the Rodial lip and eye gel, and I just apply it onto the bottom of my lids. I'm just testing it out to see if I've seen a difference, and I have to be fair, but no, I don't normally use an eye cream. Do you, or did you have acne prone skin? To be fair, I didn't. Touch wood, I didn't have bad skin when I was a teenager. Did you ever have to use Pro-activ? No. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the makeup questions, and the first one is, what foundation do you use? So I use the It Cosmetics CC cream, but I've just bought the Rodial foundation, which is amazing, and I'm also loving the Dewy Skin tinted moisturizer from Revolution. It's just been launched and it's absolutely amazing. I'm actually wearing it now, and my skin feels really good. How about concealer? So I'm using a Revolution concealer, and I've got the Define and Conceal one, but I really like the I Heart Revolution, the Heartbreaker one. And what else? What other concealer am I using? That's it. Okay, do you know your undertone colour? So I am warm undertone, so I can go for very neutral toned foundations and concealers. What do you think of fake lashes? Well, I've got them on now. I absolutely love them. I never knew how to apply them. I've only just recently started applying them myself. I always used to just leave it to the makeup artist, but now I'm doing it myself. Did you know that you are supposed to change your mascara every 3 months? Yes, I do, and I do change it every 3 months. So if you didn't know, you need to be changing it every 3 months, because that's how you can get eye infections, conjunctivitis, and all sorts of disgusting germs. And never ever share your mascara with anybody. What brand of mascara do you use? So what brand of mascara do you use? I use the Spectrum Dark Matter mascara. It is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it. But then I've just found the Rodial mascara, the lash lift one. Oh my god, it is a game changer. I absolutely love it. Sephora or MAC? Well, we don't actually have a Sephora in the UK, and so it would have to be MAC, but I haven't shopped at MAC for many years. Do you have a MAC Pro card? No, I don't. What makeup tools do you use in makeup application? I use a flat kabuki brush for foundation. I use a big puff brush, blusher brush. I use a concealer brush. I use a fluffy brush for the crease to buff it all out. I use everything. I mean, if you saw my brush collection, you'd be like, oh my god, I'm obsessed with Spectrum collections. I love my brush junkies. But yeah, how many brushes have I got? I've probably got over 300 brushes now. Yeah, and I'm not even a makeup artist. Okay, do you use makeup base primer for the eyes? Yes, I do. I just use a concealer. I've got the base primer from Revolution as well, but I just tend to just put concealer on it. For the face, yes, I use a primer for the face. I'm actually using the XX Revolution, the Cloud primer. I love that. And I've just recently found this blurring balm, which is really good, and you can apply when you start to feel a bit shiny throughout the day. You can apply it and it resets your foundation, which is really good. What is your favorite eyeshadow color or shade? My favorite eyeshadow is going to be, I have to love my naturals, but you know what, I like to put bronzer as an eyeshadow, so you got like a nice natural glow going on. But I like my nudes. I need to start venturing out on colors because I'm getting more confident with it, but I like these kind of colours as well. So like the bronzy goldy effect, I do love that as well. But I do love pink eyeshadow, that's my favourite. Do you use pencil or liquid liner? So I use a pencil liner because I am absolutely crap at liquid liner. I don't really do it. I literally don't apply it, so I leave that to my makeup artist. I've tried and I look like an idiot when I do it myself. How often do you poke your eyes with an eyeliner pencil? To be fair, not very often. I have like knocked my contact lens a few times with it, but not actually poked my eye, so maybe my contact lens has protected my eye. What do you think of pigment eyeshadows? I like them. Don't know what to do with them, I don't really use them, but I like them. Do you use mineral makeup? Not really, but I'm open to using it. What is your favourite lipstick? Oh my god, a nude, and I love this kind of nude as well. This is a Revolution lipstick. It's gorgeous, and it's in the shade Undress, which is really nice. Love the packaging too. Where are we? How about lip gloss? I love lip gloss, and I actually like that. I use the Revolution one. It's a nude one, and it's nice. It keeps your lips nice and dewy as well, which I love. What is your favourite blush to use? My favourite blush is, I'm liking this flamingo one I'm using. I've used it at the minute. That's really nice, but I'm starting to like the cream blush as well because I do like the very dewy look. Do you buy your makeup on eBay? Never bought any makeup on eBay. Do you like drugstore makeup? Yes, I do. I love going to Superdrug and Boots and just going straight to the makeup collection. Do you go to CCO's, cosmetic company outlets? So does that mean like Sephora or the actual brand of the makeup? I've been to Morphe, go to Selfridges to buy, the cosmetic shops there, the counters there. Don't know really. Okay guys, sorry about that. My battery died, so I've just had to change cameras so we can carry on with these questions. So where were we? Okay, so the next question was, did you ever consider taking up makeup classes? Well, I've actually been looking into doing makeup classes, not to become a professional makeup artist or anything, but just for me to be able to share with you guys a lot more. But I don't think I'm doing too badly, and plus we want to keep it nice and real, and I'm not a professional. I'm just a mama having loads of fun and sharing with you guys. So I hope majority of people can relate to the fact that I'm not a professional, and that you don't have to be a professional to be doing what I'm doing. Just have fun and go with the flow. Okay, so the next question is, are you clumsy in putting on makeup? Well, a little bit. I mean, like, say for instance I put so much bronzer on this side and didn't on this side. I had to use my foundation brush just to like even it out a little bit. But honestly, I am like not a professional, and I admit that. But who says putting makeup is wrong or right? I don't know. Name a makeup crime that you hate. Name a makeup crime that you hate. Don't know. I don't know actually. Quite a few things that I'm not really keen on, but hey, who am I to judge? Okay, do you like colourful shades of makeup? Lipstick, eyeshadow or neutral ones? I actually like neutrals. I love neutrals because I think it's because I'm just so scared about going colourful, but I do love colourful makeup as well. And I always, when my makeup artist comes, I always leave everything to her, and she just always comes out with some amazing products. Her name's Chrissy, and I'll leave all her details down below so you guys can go check her out. Which celebrity has got great makeup? J-Lo. I absolutely love Scott Barnes. I've got all his palettes. And who else has got nice makeup? Just J-Lo. I mean, we all love a little bit of a glow, don't we? If you could leave the house using just one makeup item, what would you use? Bronzer. Definitely bronzer. You can put it on the eyes, you can just warm up the face, just bronzer. And you guys all know how much I love bronzer. I'm obsessed with bronzer. Could you ever leave the house without any makeup on? Yes, I do it on a daily basis. I have always, I mean, I probably look like absolute crap, but on the school run, was always no makeup in the morning. And during the week, I've grown up, like once a week I might apply makeup at the weekend, and obviously when I'm filming, but I'm always barefaced. And when I am glammed up, everyone's like, oh, have you been filming again? They all know that I've been something to do with YouTube or with social media. So yeah, I am not ashamed to go out barefaced. I'm happy with my skin. In your opinion, what is the best makeup line? I'd say Revolution Beauty, only because they are coming out, evolving every single week. There's something to do, and they're affordable, and they are always keeping up with whatever's going on. I love the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess range. And what else is really good? The Natasha Denona is a really good makeup. But my best, I'd say, is definitely Revolution, because anybody, whether you are a makeup artist or you're new at makeup, you can get whatever products you can, you know, to start off and use, and they're just so easy to use as well. And sometimes they just make it really fun, and it's just nice to have a bit of fun with the makeup. I don't take it seriously anyway. What do you think of makeup? I love makeup. Now obviously it's about enhancing your beauty that you've got, but for me the most important part has to be your skincare. Your skincare is so important, because you are literally getting the base ready so that you can have flawless looking makeup. Now everyone's been commenting on my skin lately. I am in the middle of doing a 8-week training, so I am drinking at least 3.5 litres of water a day, but I have got a really good skincare regime, and I stick to it religiously day and night. I don't go to bed with makeup on. I literally can't stand the fact that I'm sleeping in makeup. I think I've done it once or twice in my adult life, and even when I was drunk, I always used to take off my makeup and take the contact lenses out, and then halfway through the night I'd wake up thinking that I haven't taken my contact lenses out and we're pulling out my eyeballs. Yeah, I know, true story. But anyway, that's for another day. But I really look after my skin. I mask 2 to 3, maybe, no, I won't say 2 to 3 times a week. Once or twice a week I mask, I exfoliate, and yeah, when I know that I've been filming and my skin really needs a good scrub, then I will definitely exfoliate if I have to, a bit more than once a week. But then I cleanse, tone and moisturize every single day and night, and I apply a couple of bit of oils. I've started using the Rodial Snake oil drops, and I've found such a difference in the last few days with my skin. Honestly, I'm really happy with it. Because I've got a good skincare base, my makeup applies on flawlessly and it looks good. So yeah, makeup, it's how you feel. It's not about making you beautiful, it's about how it makes you feel. And makeup makes a lot of women feel good about themselves, and it's not a bad thing, it's fine. But yeah, I like to just have fun with it, and I just love, I love collecting makeup. It's a passion of mine. I love the skincare part of it, and it's just having fun and building my confidence up to make some nice eye looks and putting things, colours together and stuff like that. So yeah, you can take it as seriously as you want, or you can have it as much fun as you want. It's entirely up to you and how you see and perceive makeup. So yeah, that is the 40 question tag. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the channels down below of the lovely girls who... So, the girls I'm going to tag are Lucy, Natalie, Claire, Amy, Katie and Cara. I'll leave all their channels down below so you guys can go and check them out. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.